Hi, project update for La Maison Grise as of the 29th of August with the work completed so far. So all the skirting board is down as well as the flooring, painting that, finishing it all off next week. The kitchen is now all in, all plumbed in nicely, water all on to the taps. The hob is in and gas is all running to it. The extractor fan is all in and installed, 4 speeds. All the units are in, the kit boards are all now in. Just got to put the floor lighting in. Oven and microwave need to be sorted out. I don't think, well, I've got the doors all on. I'm not sure there's anything else happened in the salon, but all the doors are on and painted. Door to the garden room is in, as is the loo door. The salon is as I think it was last time. So the garden room is as it was. I've got the doors in now. As I said before, just the architrave now to be painted and sorted out. All looking tidy, nearing completion. Just the final few touches to do in the next couple of weeks. Into the utility room, where once again the door to the kitchen is all there, fitting nicely. Worktop, which I'm not sure it was just, I put it into a previous video, but the kitchen units and the back worktop is all installed, and I'm just marking out the long wall worktop, which I'll install next week and cut to fit. And then underneath the worktop we'll put some units, and there's some units to match the outdoor units to go on the wall as well. So all looking good, all quite nicely finished. Stairs need to be sanded and treated, which I'll do the last job really, so I can leave them whilst I'm not here to dry properly. The doors all upstairs are on. The rest of the upstairs is, I think, as it was before. Doors here looking good. Once again, the architrave and the skirting board just need to be painted, which is a project for next week. Got a couple of mirrors that were gifted by a kind friend here, which will look nice in this room. Add a bit of light to this room. Once again, the door to the bathroom is on. I've got to sort out all the handles and the locks because they're not as I want them to be. This is looking good. Just a few finishing touches to go in the bathroom. On the wall here, just need to paint that and treat it properly. But yeah, all looking tidy and good. And need to paint the door to the loft and the architrave on there. In fact, I forgot to do that, so I'll need to get that done next week. Okay, all signing off. That's the project work as of the 29th of August.